These are the first 5 things I stopped buying at the store and started making at home without burning myself out. I didn't start making everything from scratch all at once. I just picked 5 things that we eat all the time and built a routine that stuck, one thing at a time. I started a few years ago, and now it's just part of our routine. It's super easy and way less stressful. When I was pregnant with my first, I felt a need to simplify the ingredients in the food that I was eating. So much store-bought food relies on additives that help it last longer or taste stronger, but really don't nourish our bodies. I looked at what we ate most often and what felt doable long term. Bread was the obvious place to start. I tried a few recipes and found one that stuck, and then created a routine that only took a few minutes at a time. Now I make a double batch, giving me 2 loaves at the end of one day. Once sandwich bread was part of the routine, I decided to make yogurt. At this point, during COVID, I felt extra pressure to be as healthy as possible. But I soon realized that I needed to rein it in. So I created a list and put it on my fridge, and then just tackled one thing at a time. It took a few tries, but once it was part of the routine, yogurt became a no-brainer. We even use it instead of sour cream and to make our homemade ranch. I love yogurt and granola, so making granola next just made sense. I can choose the sweetener and add things like chia seeds and nuts and flax or whatever else without paying as much as I would have to at the store. And it lasts a really long time in our pantry if we don't eat it first. Store-bought snack bars kept getting more expensive and more processed. Protein balls are quick, flexible, and live in one container in the fridge. It surprised me how often we reach for these. I guess I need to make another batch. Ever since we had kids, Friday night has always been pizza night. I went from ordering pizza to buying the dough at the store to now we just make it ourselves. I even use whey from our yogurt in the dough. Extra healthy and less waste. These swaps didn't happen all at once. They happened one at a time. I built routines that actually stuck. You don't have to do everything. Just start with one thing and go from there.